China's defense stocks fell like their missiles, but that story is quite different here in India. India's defense industry is on a high. Share prices of drones and missile makers rose by at least 11%. Do you know why? Because of Operation Sindoor. For the first time, made in India weapons were put to the test, and they delivered on two things: impact and precision. From drones to rifles to radars, made in India was not just a slogan, it was the sharp end of the sword. Let me tell you how. Operation Sindoor was a symphony of destruction. Terrorist hubs in Pakistan were obliterated in 25 minutes flat. Pakistan's response was countered with brutal aggression. You may have seen the images of their air bases. Do you know how India delivered this blow? With weapons made at home, like the BrahMos missile. It was used for the first time and it was used extensively. It took out several targets deep inside Pakistan. But that wasn't the only punch. A majority of the brute force this time was Indian. We'll start with the drones. Unlike the Chinese and Turkish drones that fell like flies, Indian drones delivered. The Nagastra was fired for the first time. It took out several terror sites in Pakistan. The Nagastra is a loitering suicide drone. It can hit targets 30 kilometers away, and this drone is homemade. Next, let me tell you about the protector of the skies, the Akash anti-aircraft missile system. It took down several aerial threats. It intercepted missiles and drones. It prevented Pakistani jets from breaching India's airspace. The Akash defended every time it was put to the test. Even Prime Minister Modi hailed the indigenous platform.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में मैन पावर के साथ ही मशीन का कोऑर्डिनेशन भी अद्भुत रहा है। भारत के पारंपरिक एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम हो, जिन्होंने अनेक लड़ाइयां देखी हैं, या फिर आकाश जैसे हमारे मेड इन इंडिया प्लेटफॉर्म हो, इनको S-400 जैसे आधुनिक और सशक्त डिफेंस सिस्टम ने अभूतपूर्व मजबूती दी है।
The Nagastra and the Akash were in the thick of action. But Indian innovation played a role behind the scenes as well, like the homemade radar called Swati. It tracked projectiles fired by Pakistan. Indian satellites also played a role. They gave real-time imagery to the armed forces. From swarm drones to missiles to surveillance, it was all made in India in action. And just look at the result. Minimum collateral damage with maximum efficiency. And most importantly, strategic autonomy. No political baggage, no kill switch drama, just operational success.